Hey, it's Barney with Raw Customs Mobile Install. Today is going to be a little bit different video. Had a little run-in with a Ford Escape, so now I have to repair and replace some panels on the work truck. So let me show you the extent of the damage, and it actually looks a lot worse than it is. I've already removed the fender and the inner fender. So I hit it with passenger side front of the truck, no frame damage. The rail that you see in the picture right there, that's going to be replaced. It's bent, but the body shop said that it wasn't bad enough to replace, but I said go ahead since it's already being paid for, so that it would be back to normal. Obviously the hood, ordered a new one of those yesterday. Went with the stock OEM. Don't want to do anything different with that. I just want to keep it stock. The bumper, did go with a different bumper. It's still an OEM bumper, but it's going to come with the fog light holes. This one's a tradesman bumper. It doesn't come with any fog light holes at all, and I wanted to run fog lights, so ordered one of those. Ordered a new upper bumper panel right there. That one's ripped, and a lower air dam, also ordered that. Also the grill, not a lot of damage, but enough to where obviously I'm going to get another one. See right there, a big chunk taken out of it. The rest of it's fine, but I've already ordered a new shell, factory shell, and then a wire mesh with chrome rivets for the insert. So I am going with a different grill also. And obviously a headlight, that one's missing, got smashed. Also replacing that, already ordered those. Ordered a brand new set of the smoked headlights. Not the quad, just the regular headlights, but they're going to be smoked instead of clear. So different headlights also. The fog lights that are going to go in the bumper also going to be smoked. Those are also ordered. I'm going to run yellow fog lights in the bottom, and then 80 watt 6000K LED headlights. So away from the HIDs onto the LEDs. So today basically I'm just going to be removing the front push bar, grill, lower air dam, bumper, and upper bumper insert there. Then I'm also going to remove the headlight and see if I need a new headlight bracket for the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is get it all jacked up in the air so it's easier to get to all the bolts and everything. Make sure you're using jack stands when you put when you jack it up, just for safety. Save as much as I can from what I already have. That way I don't got to spend extra money on little stuff. So these license plate bracket here, these 2 screws and bolts here, I use on my new bumper because it doesn't come with these. It just comes as a steel plain primered bumper. So now I don't have to go buy these. So I got these two. Alright, what I'm going to do now is get this lower valance off. this lower air dam here and salvage all the bolts and nuts that I can from it so I can use it on the new bumper. The new bumper doesn't come with all the hardware, it just comes with a new steel bumper. So as much I can save money too. That's why I wanted to do it myself. Alright, so basically it's just plastic clips. Looks like I'll be able to save them all. And on the end is a 10mm on each side. So that's good. Yeah, so I got a bunch of these that I gotta take out. I think there's like 10 of them. And then there's a bolt on each corner. Alright, while I'm under here, I'm going to start removing the bolts for the bumper. Get this bumper off of here. I've got the bumper underneath loose. Now I'm going to get rid of the grill and stuff so I can make sure I got all the bolts off of that. Alright, I'm taking this headlight out because I just noticed this plastic piece right in here is broken. And I didn't see that on the insurance claim, so I'll have to be calling them and asking about that. I want to at least get pictures of each side so I can show them it's broken. There are 3 10s and a clip you gotta slide up. The clip and a 10 are inside the wheel well. You gotta get up underneath there. Alright, next I'm taking off this piece. Try to get to the bumper. Alright, I think I can get the last 2 bolts to take this bumper off.